Thank you so much for returning back to my IGTV and watching the video. Today I'm still talking about top tips, but these are top tips about routines. So these are my routines, these are what I live by. I'm just recommending that's something you may want to adopt. You don't have to adopt all of these routines. I'm going to give you 5. Any of these routines, I believe, will give you good mental health, give you good balance, and maybe give you a good day every day. So these are my routines. The first routine is to go to bed on time. When I say go to bed on time, I mean, generally speaking, between 10 and 11. If you go to bed late, that means that my routine number 2, which is waking up on time, will be broken. So my second, number 2, is to go and wake up on time. Not go, but wake up on time, you know what I mean. So wake up on time. If you wake up on time, you'll have a good day, you'll have a long day where you can do what you want to do. And if you want to build in exercise and whatever, you'll be able to do it because you went to sleep on time. That's routine number 2. Routine number 3, I believe, again, is that you should drink plenty of water. Drink plenty of fluids. Water is what I recommend. Don't drink juice, don't drink Coke, carbonated drinks, drink water. If you drink water, it'll make you feel fresher. Trust me. So that's routine number 3. Routine number 4 is don't drink caffeine. I drink caffeine, but don't drink caffeine after 7. Because if you drink caffeine after 7, you're going to find it difficult to go to bed on time. So don't drink caffeine after 7 p.m. Routine number 5, sloppy one, but tell your loved ones you love them. I tell my wife, I tell my 2 kids that I love them. Telling the family members, telling your friends, whoever, that you love them will make them feel happier and will make you feel happier. Because most times when you tell people you love them, they tell you back and that makes you feel happier. So that's something you've got to do. Routine number 5. And I'm going to give you an extra one. So this is number 6, right? Number 6. Number 6 is you can have a cheat day. I believe that whether it's food or routines, you can have a day off from everything. Maybe Sunday, maybe Friday night, you can have a day off. You can have a day off when you go to bed late, maybe. And maybe you want to drink caffeine late or whatever. So you can have a cheat day. I'll give you a cheat day. I have a cheat day. You can have one. But don't have a cheat day from telling people that you love them, because that's not nice. Keep that going. These are my 5 routines. Best of luck, try them, see how it goes. Give me some feedback, see if you work by them, and then let me know. Have a good day.